China does not want to start a war. They want us to start the war. I feel like the biggest downfall of the Filipinos are not even other countries, but their kapwa Filipinos as well. We are so divided as a nation and every country knows this, like in the international level, including China. Sobrang punong-puno tayo ng misinformation ngayon kaya we operate by fear. But if you go to places like Taiwan, which is so close to China, they're not really bothered about it because they are informed. Ang panawagan ko po para sa mga content creators dito sa space na to, sana po wag tayong magkalat ng fear-mongering. Because that's the least thing that we should do right now. We should inform people what's going on about the situation. And we should avoid spreading fear na bobombahin tayo, gegirahin tayo. I can't believe that this is not common knowledge but no one wants to start a nuclear war. Not even Russia, not even China. There are international laws in place that protect people from starting a war. And even if they do start a war, that's not gonna happen overnight.